gyagar ki longye tapten pa thakche Kangana Ranaut ki teri Himachal ngadi chikep lenchen surpa Jairam Thakur chodal hendo sugar kewe potang to khonsa kyamkwen chimbu chogi jaga shunang song. Kangana Ranaut kong gyagar ki pyume longye tapten pa thakchen shikin ba ma se rimi dawati tse chugune unzu na shimbe gyagar geyong hudu cheme nangto Himachal ngadi mandi sakune BJP chapsi chokbe chuso wome tumir shingi yobre. 제가 둡참 sargu be jandir thanglen tu Kangana la ki thirin khone khonsa cho tabu kechen thambe kundu du jargu chungwar hajang ka sor chimbu chung yogor tha khone nyongsor te mizi gangbu jenzi chagyu yimba songsong.
It was an experience which I'll cherish all my life. I think it is exceptional to be in the presence of such a being who has sheer divinity around him. So it was very emotional for me and ex-CMG. It is something that I'll cherish all my life.
Zawe ngalu chinda shibe nang kena shungi khonsa cho ki kyangbe zetin shine surdun chesu chebe nyentun shidan dene khonsa cho la tseme ta khonsa cho ki zetin la delo chebe nedun chobe kapsu Kangana Ranaut ne rangi ki Twitter talam to khonsa cho da Joe Biden ki kubar dikjur chebe shik denbe tatane surse nambe to ne deju chebe tar kapter pemi chebe khonsa cho la teba da myoba yueke manta shiki khon la gyunju chebe tang kachi khon ki legun dundu ngogwe nabe nedun chungyoba tar kapter Kangana Ranaut lagi khon ki zemudan dane tedar cheba mado khwensem tone che mebar changme samshe naro sheta khon rangi sangye ki songrabla yiche chegen shigin bata khonsa kuten chushiba chebu chogi kusi shibur mimala shabde shuyo bata khon ne suliyan khwenzi che meje rangi ki Instagram talam gyune deju na yobre.
His Holiness, during His Holiness keeps with the child, so how do you feel it? Have you apologized to His Holiness?